County police on Saturday confirmed the death of Olajide Sowore, brother to the publisher of Sahara reporters Omoyele Sowore. The police also announced the abduction of 5 other unidentified persons who were passengers of a commercial bus at Sin's Port in Okada near Benin. One of the victims on Sunday escaped from the abductors, according to a police press release on Sunday evening. The victim, Emmanuella Anyanwu, while narrating her ordeal in the hands of the abductors to journalists at the Edo State Police Command headquarters, says they were rounded up by gun-wielding men in the early hours of Saturday after an attempt to get their luggages from their faulty vehicle, which broke down the previous day.
When I was coming back from Lagos, so the Okada junction there, our car got spoiled in the midnight.
That was on which day?
On Friday night. So early morning, Saturday, so we are there looking for another car to continue our journey. The herdsmen people, they rushed out from the bush and surrendered us. Around early morning, 6:30 to 7 in the morning, we saw some men. They came out from the bush with their guns shooting, and they surrendered us with their guns. They told us to lie down, so we all lie down. They collected our bags and the money and our phones. Then after some time, they told us to follow them inside the bush. We followed them inside the bush. So they're in the bush, and the place was very far. It took us almost 2 hours before we got to there, where they are staying. There they tied they used cloth and tied our face, our eyes. After sometimes they started calling us one after the other. I was the last person they called. They're not asking me, where am I coming from and where am I going? I told them that I'm coming from Lagos and I'm going to village for my husband's burial. They not asked me, my husband burial. I said yes. They said, how many children do I have? I said, I have 2 kids. They are small. They now asked me, what am I doing? Which business am I doing in Lagos? I told her that I'm a granite seller. I do sell granite here. Then after some time, they asked me again, my husband, who will bury my husband? Mine, they want to bury my husband. I said, no, their brothers will bury him. They asked me, how many sisters do I have? I told them that I have 3. We have about 3 of us. Then they said, my senior sister, which business is she doing? I said that she's selling bread in the village. The other one, the last sister, they asked me which one business. She said she stays secondary school. They said okay. They then asked me, do I know them? I said no, I don't know you people. They asked me, do I know police people? I said yes, I know police people. Do I know army people? I said yes, I know army people. Who are they? They asked me, I said, I don't know you people. If you can help me and tell me who you are. So after some time they said okay. Hence I don't know that they are kidnappers. That's okay. That they kidnapped me in order for me to give them money.
According to Emmanuella, a Catholic nun who was heading to Imo State from Ghana, she would have been killed by the men suspected to be herders, but for divine intervention. In a narration, she and others were led into the bush and subjected to very dehumanizing conditions, coupled with sporadic shooting at motorists plying the road.
I said 10 million. I said 10 million is too much. I don't have it. Then I said, okay, how much will I give them? I said, okay, so I will give you people 500,000. Say 500,000. Say 500,000 is nothing. But I said, I have. Okay, after they asked me, around 7:30, it was raining heavily. So they went to their operation again. They brought another man there. So then when they brought them out, they collected everything the man was having and the phone. And that time, all the attention was on that thing they collected from the man. But one of them stood up, was making call, and they faced us. And we backed them. They faced us, so one of them was stood up making call with the umbrella. So I removed that thing they tied my face. My spirit told me now, I can escape now. I said no, I will escape in the midnight. My spirit said no, it better escape now. So in the midnight, you will not have that opportunity. And these people, they don't used to sleep in the night. I said okay, then I obeyed my spirit and I crave and I got. I escaped. I ran inside the bush.
Some suspected kidnappers had, in the early hours of Saturday, shot to death Olajide Sowore, a pharmacy student of Benin University, Okada, in an apparent attempt to kidnap him and other unidentified persons.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.